You are going to love the 2024 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Come take a test drive today.